Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do something purple. Purple is one of the most flattering eyeshadow colors universally, and I love a purple eyeshadow look, and I wanted to do something purple but very dramatic. As you can see, quite dramatic, but I love how it turned out. Yeah, before we get started on the video, I wanted to quickly remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you are alerted when I upload a video. Also, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up because that really helps my channel grow. So I also wanted to let you guys know that I have a Spanish channel. So if you speak fluent Spanish and you rather see tutorials in Spanish, I have a separate channel. So it is called Ruth Beltran en Español. I probably will change the name later, but I kind of wanted to make it obvious, so that they would be separated from each other. So yeah, even if you are not fluent in Spanish, but you just want to support me and subscribe, I will link it down below in the description bar. So now I am going to stop talking and we will just get right into the video so that I can show you guys step by step how I did this makeup look. Okay, so I'm going to begin to prep my eyelids by using the MAC Prolongwear Concealer in NW15. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Kokie Cosmetics Eye Kohl, and the shade is Deepest Black, 530 Deepest Black. And I'm going to pretty much draw a line along my lash line, upper lash line, and I am going to smoke it out. But pretty much I'm going to use this as the base to add depth to the outer part of my eyes. I'm going to take a Morphe pencil brush, and this is M431, so I'm going to use it to soften up this eyeliner that I created with the eye kohl, and going to smudge it out. So you can see it's beginning to soften up. So now I'm going to take this Bisou Cosmetic eyeshadow, single eyeshadow in Violeta, and using a much more denser pencil brush. Now I am going to take a blending brush, I'm going to diffuse the top edge first and blend this out so that there's no like harsh line. Now I'm just blending it until I am happy with the way that it looks. So as you can see, I applied it going this way in an angle towards the inner corner. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. So the first color that I'm going to take is this one right here, which is more of a purple plum shade. Now I'm just reblending with whatever I have left on the brush. Now I'm going to take this lighter purple, which is more of a lighter purple with a hint of pink, and I'm going to use that to like soften up the look. And I'm just going to go over this part on the top edges. And tapping motions like that. So now I'm taking a smaller brush with just a matte black eyeshadow, any matte black, any purples that you have. And I'm just applying it over where I applied the black eye kohl. And if you can't tell, probably can't because it's kind of shiny, I added some tape just to make the edges really sharp. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bright purple, but a shimmery purple. The color that I want to use is this one because it is really bright and I just thought it would look really gorgeous. As you can see, I'm bringing it inwards a little bit more, but I'm also overlapping it a little bit with the matte bright purple. So now I'm just softening up the edges so that it doesn't look like there's just a harsh line up in the upper edges and it looks blended out. Okay, so now I'm going to take the middle shade on the bottom row, which is a little bit lighter than the rest of the shimmer shades, and I'm going to mix it with this one. This is by Makeup Forever and it is in D868. This is before they went back to like the square formula or the square pans. So I don't know what number it is, but it's pretty much like a iridescent pink overlay shade. So it's not like a solid shimmer shade. It's or glitter. It's more like a color that you put on top of other shades. And I'm applying it on this inner third of the eye. So also overlapping it just a little bit with the other color. Now I'm taking this one, which is just going to add a little bit more brightness. As you can see, it just instantly like transforms your eyeshadows. And now as you can see, it looks really beautiful. It looks completely from the lightest to the darkest. Now I'm going to take the Kokie Cosmetics eye kohl and I'm going to apply it to the bottom lash line going halfway and then to the inner rim of the eye going halfway as well. So let's do that. So I'm making sure that it's connected with the outer part of where my eyeshadow ends. Okay, so now that I softened it up, I'm going to add the vibrant purple. So I'm going to take this purple. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this shade that I used on the eyes earlier. And I'm going to apply it right here on the bottom inner third of the bottom lash line. Alright, so I'm going to finish up the other eye, add some lashes, and I will be right back to do the rest of my face. Yeah, now what I'm going to do is do my lips. So I think for my lips I want to keep it a little bit more subtle since the eyes are very bold. For my lips, I'm going to be using the KKW Nude 0.15, no, Nude 1.5 lip liner. Now on top of that, I'm going to apply Yash lipstick by MAC. So for my blush, I want to keep it very nude and more natural. So I'm going to do this blush by the Balm. This is one of my favorite nude blushes, and it is in Balm Beach. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.